Hello, this is Javier Kamei with a quick tutorial on Ninja Leads that can help you generate a very long email list of prospects. Now, the thing to keep in mind is that we're going to basically exchange some type of information, guide, book, or something like that in exchange for their email address from prospects, of course. So therefore, it's important that you always start by making sure you have an image of whatever you're going to entice the person with or the prospect with. And the second thing you need is a link of where you're going to find the information, the guide, the ebook, whatever, where it's going to be downloaded from by either the end user or by the system. So let's start by signing in using the credentials that you requested, primarily being your email address, all in lowercase letters, and also the password, which is the same for everyone. You can change it in your back office once you get in there, but initially it is success in 2022. Again, all in lowercase. So once you log in, it is crucial that you understand that it starts by you setting up your store information. And so you'll see a banner like the one that you see here in red saying that you need to do so. So simply click on the update store information, or you can also find it under my settings. But click on this link right here in the red banner at the top before you do anything at all. Once you click on that, it'll bring you here. First thing you need to do is set up your store URL, which is basically a subdomain of access123.net. So you can literally choose anything you want and it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and put university, marketingu.access123.net. You can put your name, you can put whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's just part of the link to your store. It doesn't really matter. So don't overthink that. Store title, I'm going to call mine marketing for all. Again, it doesn't matter. If you don't like what it is, you can always change it once you see where it shows up and how it shows up. Your store help URL. Where do people go for help from your store? Well, guess what? You don't really have a store, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going to type in www.google.com, and that's it. Name as you want it to appear. Mine is, as you can see, Javier Rodriguez. Your email. And then you need your PayPal email address if you are going to go ahead and request any type of payment. Most people, the answer is they're not requesting anything. We're going to give it for free. It doesn't matter, but I'm inputting it, and so should you. Below is where you would actually change your password if you wanted to do so. And that's it. Make sure you hit update profile, the green button, and then it should go green. Profile uploaded successful. So I'm ready to go. You're ready to go. And let's go over to products. Now the platform comes preloaded with a few products in some cases or in most cases, but not necessarily all the time. So if you do see any products there, just delete them. You don't need them, you don't want them, that's fine. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and you can either import demos, which I'm going to click on just to show you for the heck of it. These are the demos that you can use, which you really need, unless you're going to use the Instagram marketing one or something like that, but you don't need them is what I'm getting at. So I just want you to know that they're there. Products, I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring me here because I already imported these, but again, I can always just come in here and hit delete and get rid of them if I don't need them, like I don't need them, and I certainly don't want them. Now, again, it doesn't matter what it is you're trying to build an email list of, whether it be life insurance, real estate, mortgages, solar, doesn't matter. You can go ahead and do it by leveraging this platform. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a product. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do something for teachers. It's going to be based on a retirement guide that I have for teachers. So we just need to cover the image of whatever it is that you're going to entice them with. So I'm going to go cover. There's the preview image. So I'm going to hit open. And I know it's good because it went ahead and has it up there. So I'm ready to go there. The title is going to be something sexy that gets people to take notice and take action at the same time. And so I'm going to put in teachers. This is the title. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do something like learn how to maximize your retirement! Exclamation. Again, make up your own, play with them, change them as you see fit. I just want to show you how to do it. The prices, in case you're selling it, mine says 0.00 because I'm not selling anything. And then I'm going to go down here, and this is where you're going to actually type in the description. And for me, again, I'm just going to make it really simple. I'm just going to go ahead and do something like this. Teachers, this free ebook will teach you And then from here, I'm just going to use the bullet points. How to maximize your pension, exclamation. How to receive tax-free income in retirement. How to eliminate stock market losses, and much more. Grab your free copy today. Something as simple as this. I'm just going to go ahead and make this italicized right here, and that's it. And then it's going to ask me for the access URL, meaning where are they going to grab the actual file or book from. So I have mine in my Dropbox. Okay, I'm in my Dropbox now, and I'm looking for my teacher's guide to tax-free retirement right here in PDF format, which you want to make sure it is in PDF format. I'm going to copy the link. And once I have the link, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my actual dashboard where I'm forming my funnel or my landing page. And I'm going to simply go to the bottom where it says access URL, and I'm going to go ahead and type it in there. I'm going to click on add product, and it's done. Now, the way you get the link to your actual landing page is you go to your store. You start by going to dashboard. Dashboard, this is your store URL. Remember the one that we created in the beginning. I'm just going to click on that, and all of my products will show up here where I only have one. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and there's the way my funnel is going to look. Teachers, learn how to maximize your retirement, and so on. I got to get rid of this about. I don't like that. Or you can just simply get rid of teachers and start typing after that. But in a nutshell, this is what you're looking to do. And now you want to go ahead and grab, like I am right now, this is the link or URL to your actual micro landing page at that. And if you're going to do something like Facebook, you just simply go ahead and input it there. And you'll see how simple it is in just 1 second. Now you make sure that if you're going to go here, I'm going to create a new post. I'm going to paste the link. It's going to create what's called a preview. And the preview should include the image. There it is, a nice image, so you can see that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back and delete the link. And now I'm going to type in something that entices them to click on it, because you don't see the actual headline that we typed in earlier. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do something like this. Teachers, this free ebook can help you retire with need. Something like that. Click to grab your copy today. And this is just random. Don't read into it. And then you just hit post, and it's done. The same thing with Instagram. Same thing with anything that you want to, or any platform you want to go ahead and promote your stuff in. But in a nutshell, that's it. And so when somebody, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to that actual link. I don't want to post that, so I'm going to leave here. Always, always, always test it. So I went to where the link is located. I'm going to do this. I'm going to type in my name. I'm going to type in my correct email address as if I was a prospect, to make sure that two things happen. A, I want to get the book as the recipient will. You want to deliver on what you promise. And number two, you want to see that they're being added to your leads component on your dashboard. So here I am. As you can see, I have 0 leads, so it hasn't kicked in quite yet. And there, it just switched to 1 lead. So when you go to leads on the left-hand side, there it is. There's me, the person that requested it, their email address, and that's how you start to grow your list. And then you just simply export it here. Now, what's really nice is that you will always know from which funnel, if you would, they come from, because under the product refers to the landing page that you went ahead and got their information from. So I know this is for my teachers. I might have another one for $1 Million Baby for college funds. I might have another one for real estate. I have another product one for mortgages. So I won't be emailing everybody the same info, because they might be coming from different places. When you export it from into Excel, you can just line up your columns by whatever product or ebook or whatever you had, grab them into your system, and then market to them accordingly. That's it. You can replay also in the original email that I sent you. There are several other video tutorials on how to do even more with it. If you want to review that, go ahead and do so. If you get stuck, Don't call me, please. Do not call me or text me or email me. Just review the actual videos, and I promise you the answer lies somewhere in there. We all like the easy way out, make one call, and we have help. Don't do that. Learn to go ahead and leverage the power of the tools that you have. And if you're not a techie, well, don't be a techie. Just simply become well informed by reviewing the resources you have. All right. Thank you so much. And this is my gift to you, present, if you would, for this great holiday season 2021. And can't wait to see you in 2022. Thank you.